Hi folks, this is Max from HTC EvoHacks.com. So we're going to today put TWRP recovery on HTC Evo 3D. For those of you with HBoot 1.5, you will have to boot from the fastboot to flash kernels. But you can use it fine to flash ROMs. If ROMs come with custom kernels, it will not flash the kernels. But you can always boot TWRP recovery from fastboot. So let's go do it. First, turn off your phone, and then hold down the volume down and the power button, and this will get you into fastboot mode. There you go. And once you're in fastboot, connect it to your computer via USB cable. Alright, and we're going to go to our computer and install the TWRP recovery. Next, you're going to download Evo 3D TWRP.zip and unzip it. You'll get a folder called Evo 3D TWRP with ADB for Linux, Mac Linux, and also fastboot for Windows, Linux, and Mac. And you've got the recovery image there. So first of all, you want to open up a command prompt, type CMD under start search. And if you have a Linux or Mac, open up a terminal and browse to the directory that you unzipped the Evo 3D TWRP to. For me, it's CD backslash. That's actually backslash, the opposite of this, because my Korean font makes it into a won, which is a currency for Korean, which is the backslash for Korean. Anyway, do that, and then for Mac or Linux, do CD the other slash like that. Alright? And then once you're in that directory, all you gotta do is type fastboot flash recovery TWRP shooter 2.0 like that, and then this will flash. Oh, you know what? Make sure you select fastboot. Hit power button. It should say fastboot USB. There you go. Now it's sending recovery. And also, if you're on HBoot 1.5 like me, and when you flash ROMs with custom kernels, you'll have to boot from fastboot. But instead of doing the old method, you can just do it from here and just change this to fastboot boot recovery like that, and it will boot you into recovery where you can flash just the same. Another thing for Mac and Linux, make sure you replace fastboot with -Mac, and also add the // in the front, and also for Linux like that, and then the rest of the commands are the same. So let's actually do fastboot boot recovery to check it out. So this is what you'll do. Whoops, boot like that. This is what you do if you have a HBoot 1.5. I know a lot of you guys do. Every time you flash a ROM, you'll have to do this. It's recommended to flash ROMs from fastboot. So there we go. Let's go take a closer look. So there you go. We got install, wipe, backup. Everything is just, everything is just really cool now. Anyway, that was a review of the TWRP, how to install it, and just gonna help your life when flashing, backing up, restoring ROMs for HTC Evo 3D. And I've been looking for a good ROM lately, so if you guys been using a good ROM that's, everything's working good and fast for the Evo 3D, don't forget to let me know in the comments box on YouTube or on my site. Alright, thanks yo, subscribe.